Flat pass. Abdul. Nicely delivered pass. Callis. And he loses it there. Muttum on the break. The pass is good, but Sujal saves their own from the wing. Albert. Headed inside by Callis. The break is just stopped off. Awkward touches from the opponent. Gabriel is gonna be risky to dribble there. Could have been a punishing moment. Immortal Engines, they did make the snatch. That's a good header attempt. Hoiba, Rade, Abdul, through the gap, and that's a good pass. Immortal, Sujal, shouldered forward by Bittu, Neeraj, and Kate. Extremely angry is Abdul. With a thorough goalless draw at Pune Division Elite Premier League. Next game will be played soon. 1 point split between the